These maple sriracha Brussels sprouts are coated in a sweet and spicy glaze that caramelizes in the oven. They're super simple to make, and you only need 5 ingredients. The truth is, during the holidays, vegetable side dishes often look tired. Tired from being boiled to oblivion, and tired from being treated as an afterthought. But these maple sriracha Brussels sprouts are anything but boring. They're bursting with flavor, crispy at the edges, and tossed in a yummy sauce that everyone will remember. To make this recipe, start by trimming your Brussels sprouts. Do take a second to pat Brussels sprouts dry after rinsing, because this will encourage them to roast rather than steam. Scatter them on the largest baking sheet you have, which will give space for the air to circulate around them to crisp up in the oven. Then, toss with oil and salt. Bake them until tender and golden brown. Meanwhile, whisk together maple syrup and sriracha. If you're out of sriracha, check out our blog post on sriracha substitutes. We discovered a pretty awesome dupe that you probably already have the ingredients for. Once the Brussels sprouts are roasted, toss them with the glaze and bake for another 5 minutes. Garnishing is optional, but we love to sprinkle these with toasted sesame seeds. Serve hot and enjoy.